This is the one, the only, the original KAVU rope bag. It's constructed from a 100% cotton canvas. It is 20 inches tall by 11 inches wide and is expanding to a total of 5 inches and is going to have a volume of 10 liters. This bag has one main compartment on the right-hand side with zip closure. Open it up, there's a polyester liner with a zipper pocket on the back. Keep your extra special goodies organized and secure. On the left-hand side, there's an additional zip pocket. Open that up and there's a polyester liner between those two main compartments. We love some good organization around here at KAVU and we like spreading it around the world, so we're giving you 2 front pockets. The top one has hook and loop closure and the bottom one is zipper closure and is gonna fit one of those smartphone things. New technology, pretty rad. Double check the dimensions though in the description to make sure your phone's gonna fit. On the back you have padding with a KAVU embroidery all the way up the back. Custom KAVU pattern rope strap all the way down. This strap is starting at 22 inches and it's gonna expand to a total of 44 inches. On the bottom here you have a side release buckle. There is a KAVU embossed logo on here. We wanna double check and make sure that that's on the bag. It's ensuring that it is an authentic KAVU rope bag. You have nylon webbing adjust at the bottom with this elastic loop on here. You can undo that, take this bag to the length that you'd like, roll that webbing back up, get yourself organized. You want to be nice and neat and tidy when you're rocking your KAVU rope bag. This is going on your right hand shoulder. And that, my friends, is the KAVU rope bag.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
All day, every day.
Oh yeah.